Bahasa Melayu interface. Buku is now supported the Bahasa Melayu interface. To change the UI to Bahasa Melayu, just go to the user menu here, click on English and then change to Bahasa Melayu. Now you can see all of the user interface is in Bahasa Melayu. Ability to bulk void transaction. Now, you can easily void all transactions with the bulk void features. Select the transaction you want to void and you can see the new button bulk void transaction. Click on it and then click on OK.
Add on expanded storage. Never again will you have to worry about running out of storage space with Buku add-on storage option. In the storage usage, click on Add-on and you can add your storage.
Contact group improvement. We have added a group column to the contact list to make it easier than ever to retrieve a desired contact group from your contact list. Click on the column chooser. Now you can see the group column will appear in the selection and you will see the contact group will appear here. Add contact on the fly in manual reconciliation. We have added the ability to add a new contact while performing manual bank reconciliation. Click on Create and select a transaction you want to add. Once you select a contact, now you can see the new button Add Contact and you can add contact on the fly. Contact first name placeholder. Now you can personalize transaction email with your contact first name. Click on Send Email and then you can see the new placeholder here, contact first name. You can add in and the first name of your contact will appear here. User reply email. This new feature will allow you to receive a reply from your customer to your email instead of to the general email. You can see a new box button here. Tick this box button and when your customer reply the email, it will send to your email. Session idle log. Go to user menu, click on my profile and you can see a new button Session idle log. You can now toggle off the auto session idle log function to avoid being logged from your account after being idle for 2 hours. Flexible column in statement of account. We are granting you a greater flexibility to manage the columns in your statement of account by allowing you to add or remove unnecessary columns from the statement of account.
Customize UOM and discount labels in your form design. You can now update your preference labels for UOM and discount. Added amount column in stock adjustment. We have now added an amount column to have the stock adjustment amount reflected. Added product labels in product drop-down menu. Product group label has been added to the product drop-down menu to help you easily identify the correct product should you have multiple of the same product under the different product group. Added product group column in product and services. When you navigating to product and services, now you can add a group column by click on the column chooser, select a group. Added total for amount and balance in the transaction list. To provide you with quick insight into your outgoing transactions, we have added a summary row at the bottom of the transaction list page to display the total amount and balance. Dedicated signature for delivery note. You can now add a signature to your delivery note. Navigate to Control Panel, Company Setting, Signature and add a signature in your delivery note field. Ability to see the reference amount in transaction list. Having a transaction in another currency. Now you can easily check the converted amount to MYR in the transaction list. Just mouse over to the foreign amount and the system will show the original MYR amount. Added account code in form design. give you an ability to show or hide the account code on your PDF. Added new payment term. We have added the day after month payment term. With this payment term, you will be able to set the payment term based on the number of days after the end of an invoice month. Bank Reconciliation Report. We have taken your feedback and have revamped the Bank Reconciliation Report to be more structured and simple. We hope you like the revamped report as much as we do. Profit Summary Report. We are present to you a new report that allows you to view a quick summary for all of your profit margin report in one glance. Improvement on SST02 report. Dealing with advance payments related to service tax is nothing but a pain. That is why we have added two new fields in the SST02 report to help capture amounts related to service tax advance payments. Not only that, the field is clickable and it will navigate you to the new report. Introduce two reports to view the transaction contribute to the repayments, which is service tax for past prepayment and also service tax for current repayments. Quick link to contact for all reports. With just a single click, you can now deep dive into any contact when reviewing any report. Transaction List Report added Creator column. The Transaction List Report has also been updated with the option to add an additional Creator column. Product Sales Details and Purchase Details. We are added more columns for Product Sales Details and Purchase Details. The option to include the description, text, and next amount in the report columns. Inventory Report added Product Group Filter. The Inventory Summary Report filter has been improved to allow you to filter by product group. Sales orders by customer and purchase order by supplier enable the customizable columns, giving you the flexibility to show or hide the column before generating the sales orders and purchase orders report. You can customize your report the way you want. Buku Store Order Notification. Stay notified of new incoming orders with our new order notification features via email. Just enter your email here and you will be able to stay on top of things even when you are away from the Buku Store. Ability to hide out of stock items. It can be frustrating for buyers to find a product they like only to see that it is unavailable for purchase. To prevent customer dissatisfaction, you can now hide product with zero quantity from your Buku Store. Show available quantity in Buku Store. With this information, it will help your customer to always be alert with the product stock.